So by default, you don't get a text formatting in DeepSeek. But what you can actually do is you can utilize HTML codes to get formattings as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, generate a document about the benefits of eating fruits and utilize different font styles and sizes to make it interesting. And I'm going to say generate this document as HTML code right here. So once you go ahead and actually type this, so I said generate a document about benefits of eating fruits, but I am telling it to generate this particular document as a HTML code. So once you do that, you can see that it actually generates the code right here just like this. And it has defined out the headings and then the body and everything else, as you can see right here just like this in the CSS code. So you just need to go ahead and wait for this code to actually finish, and you can see that this is what you have. So I'm just going to skip to the part where this actually completes. So you can see that the code has been completed, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on run HTML, and then what happens is that it'll give me a fully formatted text right here. So what I can do is now I can simply go ahead and copy this, and then let me just go ahead onto something like Word and paste it out right here, and you can see the formattings all right here. So it's not perfect, as you can see right here. You don't get the colors and everything else right here. So if you want the colors and everything else as well, then what you can simply do is, let's say for example, copy out the code right here. Then you can go ahead onto the notepad section, and then let me just go ahead and save this out. So I'm just going to go to the desktop, and over here I'm going to go ahead and say sample.html right here just like this, and close it out. So over here on my desktop, you can see that I actually have this sample.html. So let me just bring that in, and you can see the formatting right here. So now what I can do is I can actually go around over here and choose the print option. Once I do that, I can choose the save as PDF option right here, just like this. And then I can also go ahead and set a paper size, let's say for example, over here to get the formatting that I like. And then I can enable and disable the header and footer as well, but let me just disable it. And then I'm going to hit the save button. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and, let's say for example, save it onto my desktop right here. So now you can see that this is what you have. This is the file. So if I were to open it, I got the text formatting document right here, just like this, which has been generated using HTML. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize HTML codes to actually get formattings as well for a document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.